kids, just smell that fresh apple cinnamon. Now, we have to roll out the second sheet of puff pastry. And here's the way to do it. So now, kids, the bottom of the pie is ready to go out of the oven. Now, we have to gently pour the apples into the bottom of the pie, like this. So now, kids, you're gonna top the pieces of apple with butter pieces, like this. Now remember, kids, gently top it with the top of the pie. Remember, kids, cut off the half crust of the pie. See? To make a seal by pressing on the fork. Have a parent use the knife to cut a triangle, but you can do the egg wash and paint with egg wash, like this. Okay, kids, remember, let a parent bake the pie for 30 minutes. Then, loosely cover it with foil and bake 10 minutes.